we come from? How did the universe come into being? Are we alone in the universe? Is there alien life out there? What is the future of the human race? Up until the 1920s, everyone thought the universe was essentially static and unchanging in time.
In the beginning there was Jack, and Jack had a groove. You can speed it up in the editing. It'll look really.
Then turn around. There's two. It's like trying to walk right now. And then go this way. Hey, this is the band.
The forearm workout.
If you only could try to toast this, smell a bit. Taste a bit. Every half a bit. Oh, so that was what's that? How to shut the body up?
Food.
Cake.
Cake. Speakers better.
Yeah, well, this is the day after, and it isn't worked out. And it is allowed.
There's no animals in
It is our rules. We had a cake too.
I need a cake.
We make the rules up as we go along, really.
Thanks for free will.
You do that.
I'm a cake too.
Well, as in trike. That's my bet.
10-second rule.
Thank you. Right, what's next? So, home and then eat and rest and sleep. Okay, well done.
Well, next time think about that.
Always try harder. Always try harder.
I had to do my glutes in a separate day.